Guys, it's Jules' daughter. Today I'm going to do a voiceover for my big head mom. Now she's going to start with the Amrezy pink palette. She's going to stick to the brown shade. Now she's going to take mix the two brown shades and put it on her eyelid. Patty pat pat! Now she's taking the shade New Yorker, blending all the shades together. Now she's going to be taking I don't know what this is, but I think it's a cream or something. Now she's going to be putting something else on her face. She's going to be rubbing it in her face. I don't know what this is, but now she's taking something orange. Taking her orange thing and rubbing it in her skin. My mom's gonna take her foundation. Is she trying to put this on her face? Now she's deciding to use a brush and putting zebra lines on her face. Gonna blend her foundation in. Is this mascara or concealer? This is concealer. She's putting on her face right now. Now my mom's putting on her face. Now she's gonna be putting from the chin to the forehead to under eye. Now she's gonna be putting on some white powder. I don't know why though. Now she's gonna be putting this on her face, and it looks like flour for cake. Now she's going to be taking this cube palette, and the color is dark brown. She's putting a brown thing on her face. Now she's taking her favorite powder and patting it on her face. Now she's taking her Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. Now she's applying it on her cheeks, her nose, and her lip. Oh, that's too bright. Mommy. Now she's going to be spritzing her face because now she's all done. Oh no, she's not done yet. She has to do her lip. Now my mom's going to be taking her lip liner and lining her lip. Taking her lipstick to apply on her lip. What a transformation, my mom's looking beautiful.